welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha, aka Island Mommy. I don't remember what I was gonna say, but welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi! Thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. And this box is from loveamari.com. I get these like so often, and I decided that I'm going to be doing an unboxing to show you like a little bit of what I might get each time, you know. So first off, we are going to start with the packaging. So this is what it came in, you know, an old shoes box with an owl on it, and it says Smart Fit. So first of all, kudos to the packaging, you know, loveamari.com, very creative people, very creative. So let's open up today's box to see what I got, you know. Ever so often the delivery man comes, and he comes and he gives me a box, right? So let's see what's in this box. All right. So this is how it looks today. And first thing that we have is a bike, right? This is an antique bike, guys. You cannot get this anywhere else, right? I mean, no wheels. Like, where else can you get that? I mean, come on. So that's that. Guys, look what we got. We got our rubber ducky. I mean, let's see if it still squeaks. Damn, it does. So, rubber ducky here. And let me just say, this box costs $0.00. So, it's a must-have, guys. It's a must-have. Next, we have an old juice box, a Squeeze brand to be specific, lemon lime twist juice drink that Amari has drank and left and decided to give it to me as a present. So, this is what we have. We also have this is supposed to be like part of a Batman. I don't know where it is. Alright, his head is stuck somewhere here, and I cannot get it up, but it just goes to show you the value of this product. I mean, these things, you cannot get them anywhere else apart from loveamari.com, and the price, the value of the items in the box, priceless. I mean, come on, guys. Like, I mean, then we have a part of an animal. I'm not sure what animal this should have been. Probably a cheetah or something. But, I mean, can you go in a store and get something like this? No, you just need pure love to get this. I mean, pure love. Then we have a star. Is it a star? Yes, it is a star. This is a small one from one of his toys. And he's there making so much noise in my video. We also have a circle. What color is the circle?
It's pink.
Pink. So this also came in our Love Amari box, guys. So awesome, right? Awesome. And the final thing is so we have a bunch of keys, a key ring, something for the bank, and the best thing on this keychain that I love is this key ring. I mean, how cute is it? Like, how cute is that?
A Batman.
Yeah, we got a Batman.
Wait, it's not having tummy.
Don't have in tummy?
Yeah.
So you got this box for mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You can open it.
No, I cannot take it out.
We can
There we go. Alright guys, the Ed is out. There he is. Alright. So, before we go, let me tell you how you can get this box. I mean, it's $0 and 0 cents on loveamari.com. The only way you can find loveamari.com is by 1, subscribing to our channel, 2, following us on Instagram as IslandMommyGA, and just hope to God that Amari sends you a box. So, until next time, guys, bye. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Wash my face. Me just wash my face, brother.
I'm cologne upon it.
But don't have no cologne.
No, Shani, are going different for a baby.
Jason, me just wash my face.
Yeah, baby,
Me don't be.
yeah, baby,
Jason, can I go on and do my video, please? Yeah, floppy.